with a presentation on women empowerment and their crucial contributions to Indians' freedom and beyond.
Hello and good morning, everyone, and wishing you a very happy Independence Day. I am here from Sunbeam School World Live from grade 8, and I'm here to present a PPT on women then and now. Women played a prominent role in the Indian independence movement. The participation of women in the movement started as early as the 18th century. These women did not only pave their way to independence but continue to inspire and empower us today. Now we're going to talk about the women of then. First of all, we have Hazrat Mahal. Begum Hazrat Mahal, also known as the Begum of Awadh, led the peasants in uniform military rebellion in Awadh. In no time, it turned into a general uprising of the people. She established social equality between people of all castes and religion. Her militant activities against the English were not only to secure freedom for Awadh but also for freedom of India. Next, we have Savitri Phule. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd January 1831 in the village of Naigaon in Maharashtra. She was one of the first female teachers in India, a social reformer, and a poet. She played a vital role in proving women's rights in India. Next, we have Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Mohandas Gandhi was an Indian political activist who was involved in the Indian independence movement during British India. She played a key role in organizing and leading campaigns for civil disobedience and non-cooperation. Next, we have Rani Velu Nachiyar. She was a queen of Sivganga estate from 1780 to 1790. She was the first Indian queen to wage war with the East India Company in India. Her reign in the late 18th century exemplifies courage, strategic resilience, and unwavering dedication to her kingdom. Next, we have Umbai Kundapur. She was an Indian freedom fighter from Karnataka. She founded Bhagini Mandal, a group of freedom fighters. For her, fighting for India's freedom was much more than just dethroning colonial power. Independence to her meant very little without social reforms, such as education, affordable healthcare, and women empowerment. Last, we have Rani Lakshmibai. She was one of the leading figures in the Indian Rebellion of 1857, who became a national hero and symbol of resistance to British rule in India for Indian nationalists. Next, we have women of now. First of all, we have Mithali Raj. She is an Indian former cricketer who captained the Indians women national cricket team from 2004 to 2022. She is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket, and an ESPN ranked her as one of the greatest female cricketers of all time. She has received several national and international awards, including the Wisden Leading Woman Cricketer in the World in 2017, the Arjuna Award in 2003, and the Padma Shri in 2015, and Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna in 2021. Next, we have Mary Kom. She is an Indian Olympic boxer, politician, and former member of the Rajya Sabha. She's the only woman to win the World Amateur Boxing Championship 6 times, the only female boxer to have won a medal in each one of the first 7 World Championships, and the only boxer, male or female, to win 8 World Championship medals. Next, we have Draupadi Murmu. She is an Indian politician serving as the 15th and current president of India since 2022. She won the 2022 presidential election as a candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party. She is the first person to belong to the tribal community and also the second woman to hold the office. She is also the youngest person to occupy the post at 64 and the first president born in an independent India. Last, we have Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is an American astronaut and former record holder for the most spacewalks by a woman and most spacewalk time by for a woman. Williams, along with 8 other astronauts, have been stuck in space for more than 2 months now due to technical problems in Boeing Starliner spacecraft. They have started the space sojourn on June 5th. However, the mission has been now extended till February 2025. That was all from my side. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.